You're producing sour milk out there.
Hey, what are you doing here all of a sudden, brother? Just tell me what you need and why you came over.
Yo, bro, I just came by because I wanted to hang out and play with you. You know, just spend some fun time together.
Yeah, bro, of course, that sounds great. Let's go somewhere fun and just chill together for a while.
If you don't mind, could I come along and play with you guys too? I really want to join in. Yep, why not? Please come with us, bro. You're totally welcome. There's absolutely no problem. Go back to the barn, farm boy. Hey friends, look over here. We found some yummy fruits and donuts to eat. So let's all share them and enjoy together. Hey little one, come here for a second and tell us, where are you heading off to with that football?
Nothing but a glorified flank steak.
I'm going to play some games with this ball. Do you want to play with it too? Because I really want to see how you all play.
Yes, I definitely want to play, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to win that game. I'm just so excited right now.
Whatever the game is, let's just all play together and have lots of fun. That's what really matters, guys.
Let's start this game right now. I just know I'm going to win for sure. Nobody even needs to double check it.
Okay, guys, don't be so silly. First, let's actually play the game. Otherwise, we won't have anything real to celebrate when someone wins. Here's how the game is set up. Whoever manages to hit the ball into the bowl will be the winner of this game.
My super hearing is absolutely ringing.
Congratulations, Cal. You won this game. Tell us, how are you feeling about your big win?
Thank you, little one. I'm feeling really happy and grateful about it. Not braggy at all. Thank you so much, little one.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
You're total ground beef.
Man, my stomach's growling. What's a hungry cat supposed to do? looky here. 2 little calves just hanging out.
I've seen newborn calves hit harder than that.
All right, how am I gonna get them out of here? Gotta scheme something good.
Wow!
What? No way!
Oh shit! Hey, he's grabbing our food. Let's get him, Chase! Run! What? What?
Bull brother, have you seen my little ones anywhere? I can't find them.
Nah, haven't seen them, sis. Nowhere. Wait a minute. A tiger was just cruising around here. Looks like he might have snatched them.
What? The tiger took my babies?
You're an utter disappointment.
What did you think, little munchkins? That I was just running away with your bananas? Nah.
No way!
Ah! You think you got the guts to eat my children, you striped menace? Thank you, Bull brother. You saved the day.
Just take care of those kids, sis. Keep them close.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Whoa, man, what a totally peaceful day. So chill.
What?
Help! Ugh, somebody, please help me.
Whoa, whoa, don't you worry. I gotcha. I'm coming to help you out.
Oh, thank you so much for saving me from this mud. You're a lifesaver.
No worries, pal. No thanks needed. It's just what I do.
Wow, food. Gotta rush for the grub.
Oh, no. Hold up. Dog's in danger. Gotta go save him. Like right now.
Let alone the moon!
Hey, big guy, you looking to pick a fight with me?
You fight me? Nah, you wanna see what I'm made of. Bring it.
Thanks for saving me from that snappy crocodile.
Ah! Help me, please, someone! Thank you, Super Bull. You're the best.
All right, stay safe out there, pal. Be careful.
Nothing but a glorified flank steak.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Don't go any further, kiddo. It's gonna rain heavily.
Oh, shit! Oh, yeah!
Help! 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 Somebody save me!
Ah, thank you, Super Cow.
It's raining heavily. Be careful.
All moo, no muscle.
Hey everyone, I just discovered some really yummy food over here. So come on, let's all go grab it together, friends.
What? Whoa, these pesky ants are trying to steal my food. I've got to figure out a way to shoo these ants away from here.
What? We really need someone's help with this mean problem. So come on, guys. Let's go. Super Cow is out there and ready to help us.
Yeah, buddy, just hurry over and ask him to help us out.
Hey friends, why do you all look so upset? Do you need my help? Just tell me what's going on.
A lot of ants are attacking our farm, and since we don't have any fence to keep it safe, we really need your help to protect our place.
Oh, I've got you covered. I'll look after all of you, so don't worry about a thing, okay?
Stay in your own pasture, punk.
I'm going to build a strong fence all around this farm so that every one of you can stay safe and protected.
Thank you so much, big friend. You really saved us and kept us out of trouble.
Friends, I'll stand by you and take care of you no matter what happens. You're all my responsibility, and I'm here for you.